there guys, in this tutorial I want to teach you how to run Python code in the Power BI environment. So here I'm already in the Power BI environment. I've already imported my dataset. My dataset is a diabetes dataset. Here are my variables. So to do that, you go to the visualization tab. Here you see there's a point written pi. You click on this point written pi. After clicking on that, Power BI automatically generates a Python script editor. So this is the point where we shall write our Python code, and this is the point where our visualization shall occur. Let me just expand it a little bit so that you can see it very well. After doing that, let us select the variables that we will use in our visualization. For this tutorial, I just want to plot a simple scatter plot to just show you guys. I shall click on the variables that I'm going to use. Let me use age and BMI. After taking those two variables, you can see here that Power BI has already created a data frame for us, a pandas data frame for us. So don't do anything to these lines of code, just let them be as they are. And let's move to the next line. Here you can start writing your Python script. So I'm just going to import the required packages for plotting a scatter plot. I shall write import cbon as SNS. Then we shall import matplotlib .py plot as plt. After importing our required packages, we can start writing the code to plot the scatter plot. Let's call it plot. P for plot is equals to SNS dot rel plot. We shall just write df. We shall write dataset dot. I shall just copy this edge from here and paste it here. Control V. Then dataset dot BMI. After doing that, I shall go ahead and type plt dot show what? Show p. After doing that, you can see there is a run button here. You click on it to run the Python script. So the Python script is running. You can see here. Let's wait for it to run. So after it has run, you can see our beautiful scatter plot here. You can enlarge it. After doing this, you can just close the script. You can see our scatter plot is here. You can use it in your dashboard. You can use it in your Power BI dashboard.